this video, we're going to be installing VirtualBox on Windows 11. VirtualBox is a hypervisor used for virtualization. In the most simplest term, you can run multiple different virtual machines like Ubuntu, Kali Linux, Parrot OS in your host machine with the help of VirtualBox. And in this case, my host machine is this Windows 11. So let's get started with the installation process. First, open up your browser, go to google.com and type VirtualBox and press enter. Go to the first link where it says Oracle VM VirtualBox. The URL is virtualbox.org. Here, click on download VirtualBox, this big blue icon, and you will be in this page. From here, we will download the latest version of the VirtualBox, which is 7.0.10. Since we're installing the VirtualBox on the Windows, we will click on Windows hosts, and your installer of the VirtualBox will be downloaded. Open the folder that your installer got downloaded to. I can confirm this is the file that just got downloaded into the downloads folder. Click on the file 2 times and the installation process will start. For some reason, if you get the error, Oracle VM VirtualBox needs the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable package, please check the link in the description. So now let's begin the installation process. First, click on Next. Here, you have the option to choose the location where your VirtualBox will be installed on. The default is C Program Files Oracle VirtualBox. If you want to change the location, click on Browse and select the location that you want to change to. I will keep it as default and click on Next. Click on Yes, and then finally click on Install and wait for the installation to get finished. And now my installation has finished. I can see the icon on my desktop. I will click on Finish. It will start the Oracle VM VirtualBox after installation. And this is how your Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager will look like. I have reinstalled the VirtualBox, that's why it looks like this. My Parrot OS and Kali Linux is pre-configured, but for you it will be completely blank. If you want to add a virtual machine, just click on New and you can add your favorite virtual machine from here. You can see my other videos on how to install different OS like Kali Linux and Parrot OS. So that is how you install VirtualBox on Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching the video.